In this video, we'll take a couple of minutes to check out the EQ settings built into your DEH-S1200UB. So the easiest way to adjust the equalizer on your DEH-S1200UB is to press this big EQ button here at the bottom. And you'll see we have 9 different settings available here. There's the flat setting, super bass, powerful, dynamic, the natural setting, vocal setting. Here's vivid, and we have custom number 1 and custom number 2 available. And if I hit that one more time, that brings me back around to the flat setting and into super bass and powerful settings again. So it just goes in a circle. As you press this EQ button, those EQ settings will go around in a circle. If you find any one of those EQ settings that sounds good to you in your vehicle, you're fine. Leave it there. You don't have to make any additional adjustments. If you want to make some additional adjustments, there's an easy way to do that. And from any source, and we're on the AM/FM radio source right now, let's press in on the volume control, and let's roll along here until we find the audio menu. Under the audio menu, press enter, and we want to turn along here until we find EQ setting. Let's press in on the volume control, and here you'll find the exact same EQ presets are available to you. Here's flat, super bass, powerful. The whole list of them are right here. And we have custom number 1 that's available to us and custom number 2. So let's go back to custom number 1 here and press enter. When I press enter on custom number 1, I get into the EQ settings, and I have a 5-band EQ to work with, equalizer. So this is the 80 Hertz setting. If I turn over here, I get to the 250 Hertz. Turn one more time, 800 Hertz. One more time, 2,500 Hertz or 2.5K. And then one more time takes me up to 8 kilohertz or 8K. If I roll over one more time, that takes me back around to the beginning at 80 Hertz. So here I am at the 80 Hertz frequency, and if I press enter, I can boost or cut this 80 Hertz frequency. So I can make 80 Hertz a little bit louder or a little bit quieter as compared to those other frequencies. Press in on the volume control again. That brings me back to the frequency selection, and I'll make an adjustment here at 250 Hertz. We'll make this a little lower. Make another adjustment here at 800 Hertz. We'll make this one a little bit higher, a little bit louder. We'll make another adjustment here at 2,500 Hertz. We'll make it a little lower. And then we'll go up to 8K and make it a little higher. So there we go. There's our adjustments that we made to custom number 1 is just a demonstration here. Now I can go back with the arrow key, and that takes me to custom number 1. And I have another custom setting available as well, custom number 2. If I go in here, you can see no adjustments have been made to any of those frequencies. This is independent from custom number 1. So I have 2 custom settings that I can work with. And of course, all of the factory presets are available to me as well. So when you're done making your adjustments here, you can just hit the arrow back button to escape. Now when I hit the EQ button out here, I can see my custom number 1 is there, and all of the adjustments that I made are available to me, and custom number 2, and of course all the factory presets are still there.